In this section of the Windows 11 course, we will discuss about quick setting panel. Under the system tray, we have the quick setting panel. For quickly adjust setting for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, volume, brightness, we can do all these changes in the quick setting panel. All I need to do is, I need to click on the Wi-Fi or volume control or the battery charger. I'll get this quick setting panel. So this is the quick setting panel using which I'll be able to modify the settings for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and other options. All I need to do is I have to click on this Wi-Fi or volume control and I'll be able to modify the settings for any of these options. To change the order of these options, I have to right click and I can edit quick settings. I need to drag to change the order of the options, and if I want to change the order of the options for Bluetooth, I need to bring it down the Bluetooth. So I will change, and if I want the airplane mode to be down, I'll bring it down. I can even add or remove these options. If I don't want any of the options, then I can simply click on unpin. It will be removed from the quick settings panel. I don't want nightlight, so I don't want any of these settings. I want just simply the airplane mode and the Wi-Fi, and I will click on done. So now if I click on the quick setting panel, I will see only these options. If I want to add the options again, the options which we have removed, I have to simply right click, edit quick settings, and I can add whatever I have removed. I will add VPN, I will add accessibility, I will add Bluetooth and nightlight, and I will also add battery saver, and I will change the order of the options. So this way you will be able to modify the quick settings panel, and also you can change the order of these options under quick setting panel. I'll simply click on done. So this was about quick setting panel in Windows 11 operating system. I will see you on the next topic.